got tape.
Thanks, Brandy.
Thanks. Alright, so we're going to look at some sample goals, and I need a thumbs up or thumbs down if you think it's a good goal or not a good goal. Hannah will maintain eye gaze with a caregiver for 4 seconds every day. Good goal, thumbs up. Bad goal, thumbs down. Thumbs down? What would be more helpful?
Explaining, like, during an activity, if they're talking, playing, whatever.
Okay, so it has to be broader over
Yeah.
more time?
Yeah, and it should be measurable. Number of eye gaze.
Okay, so is 4 seconds a day measurable?
Yeah, but then yeah.
So it's a little measurable, it's just not over a wide period of time, right? Like, okay, if I just make an eye gaze for 4 whole seconds the whole day, I'm all done, right? We want it to be more often, right? What else is missing? Anything else? Let's go back to these really quick. We will know he can do this when he participates in 10 minutes of circle time, snack time, table time, and story time for 3 days over a week. So what else is missing for Hannah?
Time frame?
Yeah, we want it over a longer, we want it more often per day and over a longer period of time, right? This is just saying she just got to do it one day, all done. All right. So, let's look at this one specifically. What does a child need to be engaged, independent, and social in everyday routines? So Hannah needs to look at things in her environment. Examine the concerns and informal outcomes. Mom wants Hannah to follow objects with her eyes in the environment. What are routines that could be involved? Diapering, dressing, playtime after bath or nap time. So what would that look like? Hannah will participate in diapering, dressing, and playtimes with Mom by looking at and following objects, could be a diaper, clothes, toys, back and forth with her eyes. We will know she can do this when she follows an object back and forth 5 times. And she follows 3 different objects back and forth 5 times during 3 routines. In 1 week, or in 1 month. And then the maintenance part, and continues for 2 months. Way more specifically, right? So, when we go back to this, just Hannah will maintain eye gaze. That's not even what the concern was. Mom wants Hannah to follow objects. Not just make eye contact, but actually follow objects. So this is way more specific. Hannah will participate in diapering, dressing, and playtimes with Mom by looking at and following objects back and forth with her eyes. We will know she can do this when she follows 3 different objects back and forth 5 times during 3 routines in 1 week and continues for 2 months. It's a lot of measuring. It's a lot of specifics. Yes? But very specific. All right, Charlie will initiate and maintain interaction with peers during free play. Thumbs up, thumbs down. So let's look at it. What does the child need? Charlie needs to increase peer interactions. So I know that was, for your vignette, it was increasing some peer interactions, right? Examine the concern. Parents and teachers are concerned about her lack of positive interactions with peers. What routines can that be involved in? Free play, outside time, and snack. So, what does the goal start to look like? Charlie will participate in free play, outside time, and snack by talking to and sharing toys and materials with peers. We will know she can do this when she has 10 positive social interactions with peers. And then it tells you, what does that look like? What is a positive social interaction? Talking or sharing toys. So it's giving you those specifics. And then what's the generalization? She shares toys and materials or talks to 3 different peers during free play, outside, and during snack. Per day for 3 consecutive days and continues for 3 months. So Charlie will participate in free play, outside play, and snack by talking to and sharing toys or materials with peers. We'll know she can do this when she has 10 positive social interactions with 3 different peers by talking or sharing toys during free play, outside, and during snack per day for 3 consecutive days, so 3 days in a row, and continues for 3 months. Make sense? All right, so then we're going to go back into our vignette groups. We're going to have 1 person facilitate, have 1 person in your group be the recorder, and then have 1 person that's going to actually report back to our group. So it can't be the same person. The recorder can't be the presenter back to our group as a whole, and we need 1 person to facilitate. So, the activity, I want you to write 1 participation-based child outcome or goal and 1 family outcome based on your child in your vignette. Questions? Michelle will be, and I will be here to support you if you need assistance. So you're going to dig into your vignette, think about 1 child outcome and 1 family outcome. So you are going to use your handout. So you have a handout that says,
Article.
yep, trying to show you the example. So you have the handout that has the goal on it. Yes? And you're going to write it on there. So I need 1 recorder, 1 reporter, and 1 person to facilitate. Ready? Set?